For the perfect toffee apples, you'll need 12 washed and dried apples, sugar, water, vinegar, and golden syrup. You also need some fresh beech or hazel twigs and some secateurs to make perfect sticks. Chop up your twigs. I quite like to get some clean, dead maple leaves to serve them on as well. Push your twigs into your apples. Place them on a chilled tray. Next, you're going to dissolve 400 grams of sugar in 100 ml of water on a very gentle heat. Keep checking to see when the sugar is completely dissolved. Turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar and 4 tablespoons of golden syrup. Gently combine the golden syrup into the sugar solution, bring to the boil and sustain for 15 minutes. It's really important you don't stir the mixture during that time. It needs to get really hot. After 15 minutes, your solution should have reached what's called hard crack stage. And when you drop your toffee into a glass of chilled water, it should form nice crispy strands. Now you're ready to coat your apples. Simply hold your pan at a slight angle over your tray, roll each apple slowly in the toffee, and then set it down carefully. If it won't stand up straight, just wiggle it slightly and allow the toffee to chill below, and you'll find your apple will stand up perfectly square on the dish. If you have some toffee mixture left over after you've dipped all your apples, spiral it into a jug of cold water very gently. You can make little nests for ice cream. Toffee apples are best made on the day that they're going to be enjoyed. They'll still be okay the day after, but they won't be quite as crunchy and good. If you have a toffee apple or two left over on the day after, chop them up, take the core out, and enjoy them in a bowl of porridge. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Don't forget to go to our website www.theoldkennels to see more recipes. Thanks for watching.